Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Kwik Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in apply.kwikmtg.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the login portal for Kwik Mortgage and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in the email address that you have used while signing up for your mortgage account within the email ID section and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your Kwik Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your credentials, you can click on trouble signing in and you will be allowed to reset your credentials from within. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Kwik Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.